Alright, good day, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 5. In the diagram, A, D, B, C lie on the circle with center O. So this is the center O there. DB is equal to BC. You can see that DB is equal to BC. It is indicated. Question A says, if A is equal to X, state with reasons two other angles equal to X. So I want us to discuss the write-down before we look at the other questions. Right, we're told that this is angle X. So now if we check, this angle is subtended by the chord BD. This angle is subtended by the chord BD at the circumference. Do we have any other angle subtended by this chord DB? Yes. C2 is also subtended by chord DB at the circumference. So what does that mean? It means this angle is also X. These are angles in the same segment. Right, we're told that DB is equal to BC. DB is equal to BC, meaning that triangle DBC is an isosceles triangle. So angle D3 is also X because these are angles opposite equal sides. So this is also X. Okay. Right, what else can we get from this? Right, it's fine. Let's work with what we have now. So it says if A is equal to X, state with reasons two other angles equal to X. We have angles that are equal to X now. We just have to write our reasons. So A, we're saying that angle C2 is equal to angle X because angle C2 and angle A are angles in the same segment. Okay. And then angle D3 also is equal to X. Angle D3 is equal to angle C2, which is equal to X. Then the reason we're saying angles opposite equal sides. Okay, we've answered A.